Did you know the moon is drifting 3.8 centimeters away from Earth every single year? At that rate, in about 600 million years, future Earthlings won't even see a total solar eclipse. Yeah, the moon we stare at today won't always look the same. Welcome to Cosmos Unlocked. Today, we're diving into the unbelievable history of our cosmic companion, the moon, how it formed, how it shaped life on Earth, and how it continues to change our future. To understand the moon's story, we have to rewind 4.5 billion years to a time when the solar system was basically a cosmic demolition derby. Earth wasn't the peaceful blue world we know today. It was young, molten, and constantly slammed by massive space rocks. Then came the big one, a Mars-sized protoplanet scientists call Theia. Theia slammed into Earth with unimaginable force. It didn't just crack Earth's crust, it vaporized huge chunks of both worlds, sending debris into orbit. Over time, this glowing ring of molten rock began to clump together, and eventually formed the object we now call the moon. But here's the wild part. When the moon formed, it was only 14,000 miles away. So close, it filled half the sky. Nighttime wasn't dark. The moon literally glowed red from volcanic heat. This was the moon's chaotic childhood, a molten, unstable world born from cosmic violence. As the moon cooled, it began shaping Earth in ways that made life possible. First, the tides. With the moon so close, tides were enormous, hundreds of feet high. These extreme tides stirred the oceans, mixing chemicals and creating rich tidal pools where early life could form. Second, the moon stabilized Earth's tilt. Without the moon, Earth would wobble like a spinning top. Our seasons would swing wildly, sometimes warm, sometimes frozen. Climate would be chaotic. Life might never have evolved into complex forms, but thanks to the moon, Earth's tilt stayed steady. Winters, summers, and climate patterns remained predictable enough for life to grow and diversify. Then came the late heavy bombardment, around 4 to 3.8 billion years ago. Many of the scars we see on the moon today, its craters, were formed during this violent era. The moon became a shield, taking hits that might otherwise have struck Earth. In a very real sense, the moon didn't just form alongside Earth. It protected Earth long enough for life to thrive. Over billions of years, the moon slowly drifted outward to its current distance, 238,900 miles. This distance affects more than just tides. It changes Earth's day length. When the moon first formed, Earth spun so fast that a day lasted only 6 hours. The moon's gravitational pull has been slowing Earth's rotation for billions of years. Now we have the familiar 24-hour day. But the story doesn't end there. Because the moon continues drifting away, total solar eclipses will eventually vanish. One day, the moon will look too small to cover the sun completely. And in the future, humanity may build lunar bases, mine lunar resources, and use the moon as a launch point for deeper space missions. The moon's history isn't just in the past, it's part of our future expansion into the cosmos. From violent origins to shaping life on Earth, the moon is more than a celestial neighbor. It's a partner in our planet's story. If you love exploring the universe, hit that like button, subscribe to Cosmos Unlocked, and let's continue this journey toward the stars.